Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to use join. So if you want to use join, you can go to assembly and then click plus. In there I will insert for example part. Another I will insert again. This part, click open and click on drawing area. Now, if you want to use join, you can click this icon. Join will be show for place join dialog box, and you can see the tab will be automatic set into automatic. Now you can click the object, like I will click like from these points. You can move into another, like in this point. So it will be automatically joined by using select the object. So you can cancel, and we try again. Use join tools. I will move from this center, and then you can move into here. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to use join. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.